And we're back to more Harvest Moon.
Hey, everybody. Hey, puppy.
So, unfortunately, because of our mining expertise, we kind of overslept a little bit.
Yep. Yeah!
More rain. Oh, wait, tomorrow's the last day of the season? Check our calendar.
Yeah.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
So tomorrow's a full day of rain.
And whatever the next day pulls off.
Yeah.
Should I even... What just happened?
I just pissed on your leg, man. Did that still lick his leg?
No! You! You little... Dog. Hey, no, I did not notice that.
That was hilarious.
You know what? You can stay inside.
No outdoor... Well, then he's just going to pee all over the place.
Is there any point in taking him out if it's just going to be raining the next day?
No, you can keep the animals in today. Oh, hey, crops.
Yeah! Now I have to be very careful.
Yep. We do have a blue mineral in here we don't want to toss.
Yep.
But these are 60 apiece.
So that'll make us a little cash.
Yeah, that should make us quite a decent amount. Especially if we go harvest the mountain range. Yeah.
Okay, so I believe, I don't know. I was thinking maybe tomorrow our axe might be done.
No, we just put it in.
Oh, hey, Ann, what you doing?
Our axe is going to be done the first day of the season, I bet.
Oh, that's...
Did she disappear? Or was she ever there to begin with?
Is she a wizard?
Help! I'm falling in the river! Help!
What's that? Yep, a wizard.
I can't swim. I'm one lesson short.
Yeah, she drifts down here, gets caught in that. Smack the splash.
That'd be like the worst form of waterboarding I think I've ever.
Mm-hmm. One last thing.
Yep.
I think.
Oh, we didn't get wine.
Damn it!
Actually, no, we should probably stop buying wine for
Yeah.
a little bit.
We'll wait until we have a bit more cash supply.
Well, we're not trying to save up for a season.
Yeah. When we're not trying to save up for, have some braids and dump crap.
Exactly.
There you go, Rucksack.
You might want to invest in chickens eventually.
Oh.
Karen seems to like eggs.
Oh, you want to go, Karen?
Are we going?
Wait, does she?
Yes.
Like a love thing?
She likes them, not loves them. It puts points up on us, but it won't. It's not as great.
It won't
as
bankrupt us.
Yeah. It still builds our relationship with her, and it won't bankrupt us.
Yeah.
I don't think they're open.
Oh, yeah.
Today is a Sunday.
Oh. Maybe I should get an exam. Yeah, probably not. What's up?
Oh, Cody, is there something the matter?
I asked you first. Oh, wait, no, I didn't.
No, you just kind of walked up to her.
Oh. Yeah, I don't care.
Medicine is so expensive. I feel bad about the children. The doctor says we can pay any time, but...
Well, see, I'd pay for you, but I don't want it.
I mean, if the children worked in my farm,
I mean, that's when you give the ultimatum. Either you work or you get the hell off my farm.
And no medicine for little Timmy.
Yeah, and then you just give Rick a beating. He needs a beating.
You also just take stuff from Jeff and pawn it off. I mean, he never really stopped you.
Why did that just open?
I don't know.
I wonder if Sad Sack's at the church.
It's 4:20 at the church!
Hey, Priesty.
Ah, good day. The church has a basement. That's where I sleep.
Creep.
Why is that creepy?
Hey, where's your white collar, you think?
He's not that... There's so many things wrong with that statement, I don't want to start.
What?
Just kidding, actually.
You're a jerk.
Can I play the organ? No. Let's confess our sins.
Oh, we can only do that when he's in there. Yeah, your church sucks.
So sometimes I take a bath and I let my rat pets drink from the water as I bathe. Okay, weird, but not a sin.
Oh, boy. I'd be like, you're a freak. Hey, Jeff, you in there?
I see you, Jeff.
Okay, I just look in. That's creepy. That's just creepy.
Uh-oh. Thank you. I'll bring it back when I'm finished.
You can have her.
We still gotta, get her to like us,
Purpose?
And the 3 years, they ask everyone how they feel about you.
Okay. Right. Oh. That means him too.
We can't do much about him to like us.
Oh, that is true.
Yeah. It's the dating sim of this that we have to work on.
Okay. Yeah, it was only early, so we...
Oh yeah, no, we're only the second season. We're not desperate. And we don't have to get them to love us. We just need
Friendship.
friendship.
Okay, cool. Are you done yet? Would you quit your
Yes, we
gamer?
get a Cliff likes to read. That's not Cliff, is it? Clyde?
I thought Gray.
No, maybe Gray. Either way.
Whoever.
Dude likes to read, but he doesn't want to tell everyone he likes to read because he's
Yeah.
too manly.
He has to have like a, 10-minute conversation in the middle of the street.
Oh, no one saw that I like reading.
I saw!
I'd have to end their lives. I didn't see!
I mean, I have a sickle I could just stick into your eyes. Oh, try it.
Come again, won't you? Oh, well, yes. See you later.
Put that smile off your face. Yeah, you can have the nerd.
Are you done?
Oh yeah, I forgot they're closed.
Yeah. Everything's closed on Sundays.
Well, and not only that, it's
Also 6:30.
Yeah.
Alright, check our money situation real quick. Hello.
Nice. You've done a good job.
We've done a fair job.
Yeah, true.
Okay. I'm going to take a real huge risk here.
Mm-hmm.
But if we can get money for tomorrow, check our money real quick.
Yeah.
If we can make $140 by the start of next season, we can upgrade the watering can before we start doing crops.
I was thinking the same thing.
It's just we're going to be relying on mountain food for crop seeds for a bit.
Yeah.
But I think with that, though, we can water a whole patch with one go, and it makes it a lot quicker.
That is true. If we're lucky, maybe in the morning we might have more money. Because we weren't here to get Freedom when we put the farm stuff in.
We'll double check in the morning, but...
Oh, I'll get the ore tomorrow.
Yeah. So, yeah, tomorrow also check to see if our axe is done.
Tomorrow, yep.
Just in case it is, you were right.
Hey, Pissy. You better not be crapping on the floor now.
Uh-oh, we got a squatter.
He swatted.
That's what you get for when you leave the dog in the house all day.
Well, he should use the toilet.
You don't have a toilet. Look at your house. Where do you go?
I don't know.
I think you just go around the corner.
Get away from the bed. For Christ's sake.
Yeah, we might as well take an early.
Yeah. There's not much we can do.
No. Tomorrow's going to be pretty much the same ideas.
Yeah. Mountain. Town.
Alright, let's just check our money situation again. No. It's usually if we're not here, we get the money.
Okay.
Or, it's weird. He's very weird about when he pays us.
Well, off to the mountain.
Yeah. You idiot.
Yep. I'm gonna go get a new one.
Well, that's our day.
And it's not the first time I've done that.
Yeah. And the worst part is I was thinking you were going to do that in my head. I was like, he's going to forget the mineral. He's going to forget the mineral.
Sad thing is I knew about it, but it just popped up and I saw it too late.
Well,
Yes, I know. I'm an idiot.
write in the comments how much of an idiot Cody is.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7, all the way up to 10. Yeah.
Just someone in the comment, you fucked up, send.
It's like, you effed up. You effed up. It's like, yes, I know. Just a reply. You effed up.
Thank God I'm the one who takes care of the comment sections. Well, the bright side is we might get a little bit more money out of this, too.
Yeah. Need a gold. Come on, gold.
No, we need a blue.
Well, gold and blue if we want. Because we need gold to upgrade the can.
I thought it's blue next. I thought we did the gold.
No, we have the gray.
Okay.
Wait, that's copper. Damn it, got my hopes up. And dashed them. Yeah, whatever. Stop giving me rocks.
Awesome.
Going. Give me gold and blue. Come on. Yeah. Go down the hole.
You're better off going there.
Yeah. Oh,
You are fine. Just
quit your blubbering. Deeper and deeper into the hole.
there.
Perfect. Yeah, blue. I said blue.
What do we need blue for again?
You wanted it?
No, I just want the next one. Why did you toss the gold?
I have the gold.
Yeah, but get rid of an ore of copper. You could have sold gold for more than copper.
Oh. I didn't see. I thought I threw rock.
No, you threw in gold.
Oh.
You literally.
Oopsie.
Okay, so what you're saying is we need gold for the next upgrade.
Yeah.
And blue for the final one, but we
Yeah.
don't really need the final one
No.
right away.
No, not right away.
So we might as well.
Call it.
Yeah. Because otherwise we're just holding on to a blue one for no reason.
Okay, yeah, that's good. Keep in mind, we have gold. Do not drop it.
Do not toss our gold. In fact, toss this into the bin. The one that you're holding, so we have a free hand.
And just don't toss anymore?
And don't toss anymore. Not until we go and talk to Buddy and see if we can get our axe back.
Yep, and that's a good idea. Glad you thought of it. Night, night. Oh, wait.
Now we can brush our horse.
By, like, end of year? Or next year?
I always thought it was half a year. I think, like,
Okay.
at the start. He just went.
You... No! What the hell are you doing? No!
You put him out.
What I did! I brushed him and then he just walked away! Do something nice. Do something nice for him.
Alright, go talk to the early blacksmith.
Oh, right. It's daytime. It's daytime.
Yeah.
Sounds nice.
Oh my god.
Mainly because it's dark.
Uh-oh. Hey, it's Kai.
I love how every time a cutscene pops up, you're like, uh-oh. What do you think they're going to be doing? Fighting to the death in the streets?
This guy looks like he was gonna mug them.
Yeah, I'll give you that.
He's got the, like, purple bandana, the black shirt, and, like, I thought that was a skull pattern on it. He looked like he was from Team Skull from Pokemon Moon.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Welcome back, Kai. When you come to the village, I know it's really summer. It's not summer yet.
Yeah, it's not summer, and it's raining, and you're an idiot.
Wow. Your picture does not dictate your sprite.
Nope. It really does not, because A, you're not wearing a brown shirt in your sprite, and B, you just look creepy in your sprite.
You look like you have a beard in your sprite.
Yeah.
Anyways, keep going. Seaside Lodge, huh?
Let's go set it on fire.
No, Cody.
Go away. Oh, no! Don't talk to me!
Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Oh, hello. You weren't here last year. I'm Kai. Nice to meet you.
Yep, hi.
I'll run a place at the beach during summer. Drop by. You'll have to pay, but anyway, see you.
You look like a douchebag.
He's probably just like, ladies get him free. Everyone else has to pay. Alright, let's go.
No, I was wrong.
Okay, so tomorrow.
Yeah.
But that is fine.
Yep. I will not spend anything out of the... What do you call it?
Okay, go drop this ore off. Do not get rid of the gold.
Yep.
Or I will end you. Yes.
Copper.
Silver. And then gold's the only one left, so go.
See, that's what I'll do. I'll just open the menu. Now what should I do?
Did we gather the things around the mansion?
I do not know. I will go check. Yay, it's 12 p.m. Happy joy.
Happy Joy? The hell is Happy Joy? Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
Go take...
I figure if we don't want to oversleep, we might want to restore a little bit of energy.
Alright. It's just so weird to take a spa, like a hot spring bath in the rain.
Yeah. Well, it's either that or pay $300 for medicine.
I don't think we'll get sick. We weren't working in the rain. We were working in the mud.
Well, it's more energy replenishment.
Yeah.
Replenishing. Replenishing. Okay. That should be good.
But you haven't fainted. You just showed a sign of exhaustion. It's when you pass out on the ground that you're like, okay, let's stop doing what I'm doing, or I am going to be bedridden.
Yeah, what should we do?
Let's go look around town.
Sure. Let's go smack around some people. Okay. So where am I? I wonder if the mayor's home.
You gotta stop bugging the mayor.
He loves it.
Oh, great, Cody, my favorite person.
Hey, Mayor, how's it going?
Oh, Cody, how's the farm? Getting used to things?
Yep, we're making a ton of money. Money, 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 money.
I see your profits have just evened out.
We're still making money. So, is this your son? Your butler?
That's Jeff. Like, better Jeff.
Yeah, Jeff's kind of a pushover, ain't he? What was Jeff here carrying a camera?
He's a photographer. You know, they're public image and everything.
Except he told me he takes pictures of grass.
I mean, yes, nature pictures. That's what he does.
Hi, Mr. Bear.
Cody knows too much. He might be on to us. I'm just curious. Go in to the supermarket. Check the seed. Also talk to Karen.
Yeah, it's still spring.
Okay. I was curious if it was like the day before they sold.
That would be nice.
Yeah. No, we don't need that.
Oh, you're not sad this time. That's good. Oh, wow, you have a lot of customers right now. Hey, Karen.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Sure, I mean, I don't have a bottle of booze, but I want a bottle of booze. Can you get me a bottle of booze? Nope, okay.
Talk to Mary. Okay.
How nice.
Just talking to them also puts points in.
Okay. That's good.
Yeah. Obviously, giving them gifts and that, things they love will really spike that number up, but...
The talking helps too.
Yeah.
Ooh, let's go check this. Oh, hey, Sad Sack. How's it going?
Why is he always sad in the church?
I don't know. You never say, is what okay, Sad Sack? This is why we call you Sad Sack.
Stop being sad.
Okay, time for a sermon.
Do something.
Do something. Stop being sad. We hate you when you're sad. This is why nobody hangs out with you. Sermon over.
Help, I'm stuck on the step.
Oh, God damn it. Well, that was fun.
Sack, help!
He's like, shut up, you keep calling me sad sack because you're sad.
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna help you. Come on, Sack, come on.
Be a sports sad sack.
Alright, we should probably just call it.
Because if you're not sad sack, you're going to be grumpy pants. How have they not lynched me?
We're working on it. We're waiting for the proper day. Around August, so you can be a Halloween decoration for a while.
Ooh. 2,920 now.
Yeah. Hopefully we get some money in the morning, but I think we just got paid.
I think we got our money.
No.
Wait, maybe not.
It feels like he comes twice. Holy! Did I underestimate Ore? Was I lied to?
I think you might have underestimated it a little bit.
Because that's Ore and what we just find on the mountain, so.
Yeah. Oh. Except I did throw in our blue ore.
Yeah, that would do it. The blue ore is actually worth the effort.
That put us beyond what? Oh yeah, that 920 was from what we found just in the mine.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
But with that, though, we'll call it here. Until next time, I'm Devin.
I'm Cody.
Have a good one, guys.